bukkit, so you can have a Minecraft server. And there are two methods. One of them is easy and one is advanced. In this video you will find out how to do the easy method. What you want to do is go to bukkit.org, and then you want to press get prop package. You're going to get this page. What you want to do is go to how to install bukkit new friendly, and then download Windows bukkit thing. Then you want to go back to bukkit.org and download recommended. But you want to download this one, which is in the top of the list, from bukkit, and you want to save it. And you want to make sure that both of them are in the same file. Then you want to run the bukkit start.bat. When it's done, you want to type stop, and then initially. You're going to get loads of your world. You can see what's in here. They also add this one, nether, which I'm going to delete because I don't like nether. So it's now 10 objects, and IPs. I didn't run anyone yet. Bukkit YML is basically some version of bukkit, which you can delete this. Yes, you can delete this. You want to leave bukkit snapshot.jar, and if you open it with WinRAR, you will see that it looks familiar to bin file in Minecraft. It looks fairly familiar. There are achievements, stuff, but you don't change anything when you install plugins. Oops. We usually want to put your name on it, so we'll automatically open and save it by Ctrl S or file save. Permission YML is empty. Server log. It's basically what happens to your server. And if you open it with WordPad, you're going to get this lovely block of writing, a list, instead of when you open it with Notepad you get 3 lines, which is a bit ugly. When you go to server properties, open it with WordPad, and if your computer doesn't know how, use one of my programs and use WordPad. If you don't have WordPad, use Microsoft Office, I think. Microsoft Office Word, I haven't tried it, but if it doesn't work, we use Notepad. The main things I want to point out are level name, which is your world name. You can leave it because you don't really need to change it. Allow nether, it's usually I set it to false when there is many lags coming from nether, especially when there is more than 2 portals and everyone gets to nether at the same time. Online mode is when people with non-real accounts can join, and it starts like basically a block saying Minecraft, and you don't need password to log in, but many servers have it too. Free, so only people with accounts can join, but many people who I know don't have one, so it's false. In difficulty, it's a new thing right now from 1.8, and it's basically when what difficulty and how hard mobs attack. For example, spiders attack I think 1 heart on easy, 1.5 normal, and I think 2.5 in hard. But I don't really recommend game mode. It's meant 0. If you play single player, you know what game mode is, survival or creative. But I recommend to have it to 0 unless you have a creative server, because anyone can then come in and destroy everything. And if you don't have any protection, they can come in every time and destroy more, even if you ban them, because some griefers know how to pass this, but they're going to use hacked account or someone else's account. And max players, it's a good idea to, if you have a slow computer and it's not a gaming computer, you shouldn't have it more than 15. If you have a gaming computer, you can sometimes have 50, but it also depends on your internet speed. And because I'm quite far away from my router, I have very low strength, and because I'm using wireless. Server IP. For the server IP, you want to open your connection status. You can open it by going down, or you can open it by going to start, connect to, and then take which one you use. I use wireless one. Then you press right click and you double click it, or you right click this one and then start. You want to save it and close it, then go to support, and then you want to type this IP address, not subnet mask or any other one here, and it's going to change if you don't have manually configured, or also known as static address. And I have a video on how to do it, I think, I can't remember, but basically copy this IP here. PvP, player versus player, can they kill each other? I have it to false because I'm going to install a plugin where people can choose if they want to be in PvP or not. Levels, no. Allow flight is if people can fly with with mods, and it's usually to false, but you can fly if you have game mode 1. Whitelist, I have to false because I'm going to add permissions, which looks similar, but if you want people to give you their username and then they can play on your server, you have to have it through. MOTD is if when you join when in Minecraft, when you press multiplayer, then you have the server added, it's going to say this, but I want to have for now this is Mr. Minas 19's server. Then you want to save it by Ctrl S, this file save. Then you want to run it, and if you have any errors, it's going to say some warnings, but it's only because I've set online mode to false. but also permissions can be changed, but I'm not going to because I'm going to permissions. Then I'm going to go to multiplayer and show it to you. As you can see, it's saying this is Mr. Lumas 19's server. And then I'm going to join it. It's rather slow because I'm recording, so you have to wait a bit. It looks like I'm stuck in the ground. As you can see, I'm in survival mode, and to change this you want to press T / you need to be up first. Whoa, it's a big lag. Oh, and now I'm not. So if you want to be game mode 1 creative, you press game mode, person's name, and 1 is for creative. And as you can see, my hearts and experience went away. Now we can fly around the server. It doesn't lag so much now because I've been on the server for a few seconds, but this part is very annoying. And now we can start building, and I like the look of this map, so I might keep it. It doesn't usually happen. And if you want the seed, it is very long seed. Just go down so you can see it clearer. And I don't have 1.9 release because I don't like releases. And also bukkit doesn't do any versions for if you want commands, you press .help, line help. It's going to give you all commands you can have. And now I'm going to save it. Type save all. It's going to save it, and now we want to stop the server. As you can see, it says stopping server, and it's going to give this. So now we know how to make Minecraft server using bukkit. In the next video I'm going to show you the advanced way, and then I'm going to show you how to get plugins.